Alright guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening sa inyong lahat. At meron tayong reaction video tungkol dito sa nakuhang retirement ng retirement pay ng ex-cop na driver sa viral sa QC. Road range video ipinapasoli ng PNP. Ito po yung biker saka yung si Gonzales. At ito ay ipinababalik ng PNP, Philippine National Police, na natanggap na retirement pay ng dating pulis na nasangkot sa viral ng Quezon City Road Range video. Ay baka 2016, nag-retired 56 years old yan si Gonzales. At panoorin po natin ang buong detalye dito sa ANTV. At stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, Road Trip, and thank you so much.
As a matter of procedure, we are already preparing the demand letter for Patrolman Gonzales to return the money.
Nakakuha na ng lump sum retirement pay ang dating pulis na si Wilfredo Gonzales. Si Gonzales ang road rage suspect na nag-viral sa social media matapos na maglabas at magkasanang baril sa isang siklista sa Quezon City noong August 8. Ayon kay Philippine National Police Retirement and Benefits Administration Service Director, Police Brigadier General Nino David Rabaya, umabot sa mahigit 500,000 piso ang natanggap nito.
That's basically the terminal leave earned credits na yun. Nakatanggap din siya ng 3-year lump sum pension po. 3 years. Starting 2016 up to 2019.
Gayunman, hindi ito nakatanggap ng monthly pension na mag-uumpisa sana noong 2019.
When we received the dismissal order, when the PRDS was able to receive the dismissal order, his monthly pension, which is supposed to start in 2019, it was not anymore activated.
Sakaling mabigo si Gonzales na ibalik sa PNP ang tinanggap na retirement benefits, mahaharap ito sa kaso.
We will be taking civil action against him. We have already referred this to our legal, and then civil action will be undertaken against him if he refused to return the amount.
Wala pang reaksyon ang kampo ng dating pulis sa usaping ito. Si Gonzales ay nag-file ng retirement noong 2016 matapos maabot ang mandatory retirement age na 56 years old. Lumabas naman ang kanyang dismissal order noong 2019 dahil sa kasong may kaugnayan sa panunutok ng baril. Leia Ilagan.
Alright, ayan napanood nyo, 56 years old, nag-retirement. Nakakuha siya ng lump sum pay dito sa PNP, kaya pinapabalik at may kaso pa rin na panunutok pa rin sa ilang ginawa niya. At maraming salamat. Don't forget to subscribe. This is your Road Trip, your friendly neighborhood. Ayan, peace out guys.